Assalamualaikum and a very good day to my respective lecturer, Dr. Mardiana, and my fellow friends. Okay, in this video, I would like to present to you my digital innovation project, which is Kitchen Nightmare, Gordon Ramsay's Escape Room. Okay, okay. What is Kitchen Nightmare, Gordon Ramsay's Escape Room is about? Okay, Um, this educational escape room game, which combines uh, elements of the popular British reality series, which is Kitchen Nightmares, hosted by renowned chef Gordon Ramsay, with an escape room concept. I think that this kind of element or concept can be relevant to our students, which is up to date. And I think that this game um, is designed for year 3 students, which is our target group, to learn food vocabulary, recipes, and quantifiers in line with their topic 6, in their topic, which is topic 6 of their year 3 textbook, which is food, please. Okay. The students will test their knowledge of this topic using reading and listening skills. Okay. Players or year 3 students must complete challenges related to Gordon Ramsay's menu while incorporating the show's theme. Successfully completing each challenge will earn students prize money to pay the bill and escape the kitchen nightmare. It's like an escape room game, but virtually, and I would like to have this kind of gamification in the class because I think that this is relevant and can be similar to the topic, which is food, please. Okay, for the project background, um, as we all know that average attention span for 9 to 10 years old students is 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, generally, year 3 students is 10 years old, right? So their attention span is short. This is cited from this website, which is CNLD Testing and Therapy in 2020. And I think that 1 hour English lesson may cause them to have short attention span, which will result in poor performance at school and inability to complete their schoolwork. As we all know that as I have experienced that year 3 students have their English period, which is 2 period, consists of 1 hour. So I think that this kind of gamification can help to solve this issue, which is short attention span, to help them improve their academic performance. And the significance of attention span, as it can help us to concentrate and be thoughtful on the information and tasks, which results in more information being understood and stored in long-term memory. This is cited from Lodge and Harrison in 2019. Plus, according to research, using online games like this in teaching can help increase student participation, foster social and emotional learning, and motivate students in their learning process. For instance, multiple choice quiz game Kahoot found that it improved students' attitude towards learning and boosted their academic scores. This is cited from Nguyen in 2021. So, therefore, it is clearly shown that gamification in learning process can help the students to solve this kind of issue and motivate them in their learning process. Okay, uh, the project description. I have a technical issue here. Okay, okay. So for the food description, It is about a few questions that I want to describe this project or this design. Is for the first one is how the project solve a short attention span problem. Okay, this educational escape game can engage year 3 students as it can capture and maintain students' interest throughout the activity. The gamification of education can enhance levels of students' engagement, similar to what games can do. This is cited from Smederly, etc. in 2020. I strongly believe that this kind of gamification or digital innovation can help to solve the short attention span problem among year 3 students, because I believe that nowadays students like to play games, right? Such as Mobile Legends, Valorant, and others. So I think that this kind of escape room game can help them to capture and maintain their interest in the class. Okay, why this project is better than other alternatives? Because I think that this game includes a variety of challenges and tasks related to food, recipes, and quantifiers. And this diversity keeps students actively involved and prevents boredom. Okay, this kind of variation can help them to think critically and help them to retain um, their long-term memory about the topic, which is food, please. And this will keep the students actively involved in the class and prevents boredom. Okay, how users will benefit from the project? Okay, who are the users? For the first one is teacher. Teacher can assign the project as a homework assignment to year 3 students to monitor their understanding of the topic. Okay, as the students will sign in and try to answer the questions and the challenges, the teacher can monitor their or track their progress and try to tackle any issue uh, in the topic to find any issue and to help the students to improve their understanding of the topic. And then the students will be engaged with visuals, interactive props, and multimedia elements in the game that make the game more dynamic and appealing to students with short attention spans. Okay, what are the impacts of this project? Okay, there are three impacts of this project towards curriculum, students, and teachers. Okay, for the curriculum, learning is more engaging and fun as it helps students understand and remember topics better because they actively participate and in solving challenges related to the curriculum. As the student will learn about the food, the recipe that is already stated in the book. Okay, I try to insert the topic and about the skills, which is reading skills and listening skills in the game, so the students can actively participate in solving the challenges or the questions, which can lead to better outcome. Okay, this interactive approach can improve students' comprehension about the topic, retention, which they can store their memory into the long-term memory, and enthusiasm, which means that they will get more motivated and engaged for the subject matter. Okay, the second one is students. Students can develop their problem solving and critical thinking as they will try to pass each challenge. They will um, try to solve their problem, okay, in each challenge, and they will think critically on how to pass each challenge. Okay, and then they will improve their retention as they need to remember and understand curriculum content better. And then the students will be motivated to learn and actively participate as the student will answer each challenge individually. So I think that this kind of gamification can help them to be motivated and actively participate in the lesson. And last one is positive learning experience. as the students nowadays like to play game, I think that this kind of gamification can give them a positive learning experience as they learn and they will play game. Okay, last one is teachers. Okay, this kind of innovation can act as a creative tool to teach complex topics. For example, the teachers need to um, teach the students about listening and reading skills within one topic. Therefore, I think that this kind of gamification can cover up all the skills and the topics which can integrate with other elements. For example, at the end of this game, they will improve their mathematical skills, which is financial literacy, as they need to sum up their prize money to escape the game. Okay, students improve understanding leads to better teaching outcomes. In the first place that I create this game, I think that as the students with short attention span can be resolved, I think that this kind of innovation can lead to better teaching outcomes, which is learning objective and goals. Okay. Additionally, teachers can achieve their job satisfaction as the teachers will create passionately about the lesson that they are going to teach. On the other hand, they will create something that can um, positively impact the students. So it's a win-win situation for teachers and students. Therefore, it can create the teacher's job satisfaction at the end of the day. And then the last one is collaborate. The teachers can collaborate with colleagues to develop new educational games. As the teachers is used to this kind of gamification, they will try to find or explore other educational games to engage the students in their lesson. Okay, this is the usage guidelines for the game. Okay, for the first step is the students need to sign in Genially website. Okay, they need to click the shared game link given by the teacher and sign in. Okay, and next, they need to play the escape room game and they need to complete all challenges to escape the kitchen nightmare. There will be 5 level, and they need to complete all challenges. And each challenge consists of few questions, so they need to go through all challenge, which comprises of the lesson, which is food please. So I think that this kind of gamification is efficient for the teachers to track the students' progress. And then the third step is the students need to pay the bill using the total of their prize money. Okay, they at the end of the challenge, they need to sum up all their prize money to pay the bill and win the game. As each challenge, they will earn um, some amount of prize money if they pass each challenge, and they need to sum up all the prize money to pay the bill and win the game. Okay, and the last one, they need to submit their work by taking a screenshot of their completed work and send it to the Google Drive so the teachers can track their progress and find any issue that they can tackle. Okay, let's try. Let's visit our kitchen nightmare Gordon Ramsay's escape room. Okay, this is my prototype. I would like to share with you a bit. We will go through. Okay, this is the game. Okay, let's start. Okay, for starters, it will explain about who is Gordon Ramsay. Okay, and then this is the instruction. Okay, the students will click this one menu. Okay, this is Gordon Ramsay's menu. So the year 3 students need to answer all challenge for them to pay the bill and escape the game. Okay, for the first one is vocabulary test. Okay, this is the instruction. For the vocabulary test, there will be asked with few questions about food vocabulary to test their prior knowledge, okay, before learning the topic. Okay, where is the onion? Where is the lettuce? Where is the cheese? Okay, as you can see, this is the prize money that the students will earn at the end of the level. Okay, next one, reading skill. Okay, this is the instruction. Okay, main course, which is street food. We can find these pictures of street food in the textbooks that I have inserted into the game. Okay, as the students need to read the ingredients or the recipes, they need to guess or answer which picture shows the best for the recipe. Okay, uh, therefore they need to read. Okay, this one, and they need to read the recipe and then guess the answer. Okay, at the end of this level, they will get their prize money, and they need to remember. Get back to the menu and then complete listening skill, which is dessert, the instruction. Okay, for this challenge, they need to listen to this video, which is only around 3 minutes video. Okay, three
Now,
minutes.
cream cheese. Leave it out of the fridge for 5 o'clock.
Okay, they need to listen and watch and listen till the end of the video, and they need to answer the question: which fruits uh, does Gordon Ramsay put in his cheesecake? Okay, these are the answer. Okay, and then the students have passed the challenge. Okay, second last one is quantifiers instruction. Okay, they need to answer if the water is countable or uncountable. Okay, water is uncountable. This is countable. Okay, choose the wrong quantifiers. They need to read the answers and choose which one is the wrong one. Give you water. Okay, at the end, and they will get their prize money, and then they need to pay the bill. Okay, okay. Uh, at this challenge, they need to use their mathematical skills, which is financial literacy. They need to sum up all of their prize money, all of the 4 challenges that they have passed. Okay, as you can see that below there is the hint, so they need to sum up. Okay, let's say I try to guess. Okay, it will be try again, so they need to try again. Okay, okay, three. Okay. Okay, that's all for my prototype. Okay, and then they will return to the interface of the game if they have finished, and then they need to screenshot the end of the bill at the end of the game to show that they have completed their work. Okay, I will stop sharing this one to you, and I will share this one instead. Okay, that is for my prototype. Okay, next one. Let's move on to the trilogical learning model. Okay, for the trilogical learning model, I will explain to you what are the approaches that I have used to create this kind of digital innovation. Okay, for the first one is explicating real purpose and need. For this approach, I will identify the issue of short attention span among year 3 students and implement deep research to create new knowledge in order to solve the issue, which is short attention span, as well as meet the learning goals and objective. For example, I will ask the students what they need in the class throughout the lesson and refer to the learning standard in the SKP and textbook for reference. And then second one is framing. As the students, okay, as me myself will consider the relevance and significance of the project by generating the epistemic questions that can encourage my critical thinking and inquiry and exploration. For example, why do I think that this project is necessary? And what are the specific goals and objectives that I want to achieve with this project? And who is the target group of this project? As I have mentioned before, which is year 3 students. And how does this project align with learning objective and goal? Okay, additionally, this framing process helps me to create and structure a learning path throughout the game by outlining the sequence of the activities in the escape room game, which can engage the students throughout their learning process. Okay. Uh, Third one is drafting and versioning. For example, I will ask my learning community, which is the teachers, students, to review and comment functions within documents, and I will receive feedback and share and have a sharing of diverse perspective among the learning community that can contribute to multiple improvised versions or draft of the project, as the project will be revised and refined to tackle any incoming issue um, that comes out from other perspective. Okay, the last one is examining and reflecting. As the project is implemented in the class, the I will critically assess the information, ideas, and alternative solutions encountered during the learning process to enhance the accuracy, validity, relevance, and the quality of the project. Okay. For this approach, I will brainstorm or generate any questions to improve my digital innovation to which can be useful to other colleagues for them to be used in their lesson. Okay, so these are the reference. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.